One bright afternoon, Brayen wandered into the dense forest behind his village, eager for a new adventure. As he walked deeper, the trees seemed to whisper secrets, and the path before him began to glow faintly. Intrigued, Brayen followed the shimmering trail, which led him to a hidden glade. In the center stood an enormous oak tree, its trunk glowing with a soft golden light. As Brayen approached, he noticed a small door carved into the tree. Without hesitation, he opened it and found a spiral staircase leading downward. He descended into a vast underground chamber filled with glowing crystals. In the center of the room was a large, pulsing crystal that seemed to breathe with life. A gentle voice filled the chamber. "Welcome, Brayen. I am the heart of the forest. My magic has weakened, and only someone with a pure heart can restore it." Brayen felt a deep sense of purpose. "How can I help?" he asked. "Place your hand on the crystal," the heart of the forest replied. "Your courage will renew the magic." Brayen placed his hand on the warm crystal, and immediately, a brilliant light filled the chamber. He felt a rush of energy as the crystal's glow intensified, spreading warmth throughout the forest above. The once dull trees outside became vibrant, their leaves shimmering in the sunlight.